Day 86, almost at an end. So today, you have to excuse the bedraggled look once again. I've been bowling again today. I was out yesterday and today, and I'm absolutely thrilled to bits with my achievements. I've managed to qualify for two major comps. An All England qualifiers I got through yesterday. Me and my partner Lindsay, she got through as well, and so that's great. So that's in September. We go back up to Blackpool to literally compete against the creme de la creme of everybody in the UK. And then we've been out again in pouring rain again. It's a wonder I'm not blooming wrinkled beyond belief. And qualified again today for another All England one, and I think that's in August. So yeah, two really good days of bowling, and it's great to have the pair of us through so we can support each other. So we'll be literally the representatives for the Merseyside county, so that'll be great. Yeah, but on a work note, I've been juicing, like full on juicing for the last few days, and oh God, the difference it has made. Like I don't feel bloated, don't feel lethargic, feel really sprightly. Even I think it really helped with the bowls as well, because through all that yesterday and the rain and the moaning and the wind, and I was just like, even at one point I felt like I was bouncing across the green, like walking up to the next end. And it really does affect absolutely everything when your body's feeling healthier. So the juicing is really good. I mean, Steve is actually inside now cooking tea, and he's like, do you want some? I was like, nope, I'm staying on these juices because I am determined to get this last bit of weight off for this challenge and more. I'm going to keep on going because I want more. I'm feeling like I feel. Why wouldn't you, basically? So I know I can't do it forevermore, but I just thought it's a really good way of it's a really good detox, to be honest, going full on juices. And I'm not even hungry, not even craving anything. Haven't had the sugar cravings that I thought I might, but I think that's because I was already trying to eat healthy anyway for most of this 90 days. So a lot of the sugary stuff had been cut out, and a lot of the fatty stuff while I was trying to do Slimming World from the start, and now I've gone over onto the juicing. But yeah, so it's all good. On a work note as well, I watched the call with Valerie, the Elite Calls, about landing pages and thank you pages. So I've gone and done some split tests, which I did last night, late last night, because I was having pangs of not doing SFM work, knowing I was out all weekend. So late last night I got on the laptop and I've done myself a new landing page and a new thank you page, and we'll see how it goes. So landing page has been toned right back, so it's really simple. And then I've changed my thank you page, rather than a video of me and Steve, I've put the one of Stuart on there. So we'll just see if the more professional polished look works out better than me and Steve rambling in the garden. So we'll see what split testing works for that anyway. So yeah, Audible book still going on every night. It's just routine now, isn't it? So yeah, that's it. So as soon as Steve's had his tea, we're going for our walk down the beach, just to get a bit of energy going and, you know, see if we can burn a few more of those calories off. So catch you guys tomorrow. Finishing on Wednesday, aren't we? A few days to go. My God, that's absolutely flown nowhere. Anyway, good luck everybody. Hope you're all smashing those goals.